We have a clean car.
Damn right.
You want to drive it?
It's a BMW.
So what?
You want to drive that car?
What you mean?
Oh, I'm dead serious. Wait, hold on.
The fuck is this?
Unlock it. I'm so serious. Unlock it.
Wait, hold up.
I'm dead serious. That's what I came to do. I came to buy your car because you said your car was broken.
You bought this?
I'm not even trolling. I'm actually serious. I did. This is your car. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh God. Don't cry. I was so nervous and I was gonna give the secret away.